I'm back, and yes, this week I'm going to be talking about my favorite subject, that is yoga, and we're talking about weight loss. A lot of people have written into me over the last 4-5 weeks and said, can I lose weight with this particular asana? Can I lose weight with this particular asana? Yes, you can lose weight with yoga, okay? And I will give you 3 asanas that are really good at losing weight. But before that, मैं आपको बता देना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप एक हफ्ते में, which means in 1 week you want to lose 10 kilos, this video is not for you. आप बंद कर दीजिए. However, if you want to lose it, say over a 2-month period, over a 3-month period, this is for you. And I'll tell you why I'm saying this, because it is me. मतलब, I'll show you these pictures also. You can have picture proof of how much weight I've lost. At the beginning of the lockdown, I was at about 90 kilos. Right now, I'm at about 80 kilos, which means I've lost 10 kilos between March and now, which is I think a very good thing to do. And I've done nothing extraordinary. मैंने सिर्फ अपने योगा को रोज किया, every single day नियमित, right? And the other thing that I've done is diet. So what I have done is, मैं normally, I follow a particular diet, but this is not dieting. This is what time you eat your food and what kind of food you eat. So not completely vegetarian, but I eat everything I want to eat, including non-vegetarian. I am non-vegetarian, but I eat it niyam se. I eat it with a little bit of control, and that allows me to do everything, which is a very good thing, I think. यार अगर आपने ये lifestyle करना, if you want to do it for the rest of your life, I think it is a very good thing. So there's another video on that. Please have a look at that video, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, also please subscribe so that you can get all these fantastic videos with me and you. And of course, if you want any comments, a lot of people write, and I thank you so much, every single person who writes to me. Thank you so much for writing into me. You encourage me a lot by just sending me your comments, sujhav, or if there's any problem that you have. I would love to work with you, and I work with you, and that's the nice bit. So we can do this together. We can do it. And I have lost this weight. It is proof. I'll show you the pictures so that you will have proof of that. However, coming back to the 3 main asanas. Okay, so actually there are 4. Yeah, there is the Surya Namaskar, which I do every single day, and these 3 asanas also, which I think are extremely good for weight loss. Yeah. So we'll start at the top. The top one is of course the Bhujangasana. The Bhujangasana is an extremely good asana for losing weight, and I'll tell you why. Because when it is about the cobra, so essentially जब आप cobra को देखते हैं, so the नाग अपने सर को ऐसे उठाता है और बाकी उसकी बॉडी ऐसे है. So essentially your vertebrae is getting exercised. 1, 2, this part of your body is getting exercised. So it's mainly to do with your stomach. Yeah, I will demonstrate the Bhujangasana first so that you know exactly what's to be done. So you sit. It's very simple. You sit in the child's pose, which is something like this. आराम से आप बैठ सकते हैं. Yeah, you're sitting like this. Then आप ऐसे slide करके अपने belly पे चले जाइए. Belly पे जाएंगे और इसको मैं कहता हूँ the lazy crocodile pose, because that's exactly what it is. It is actually a pose in yoga. हाँ, मुझे इसका यकीन था. However, so you go into the lazy crocodile pose and you can rest for a minute. Remember that your feet are together and your toes are together. That's important. You have to keep your feet together throughout this particular asana. Then you take your hands and place them by your shoulders. So the tip of you see the tip of your fingers, this should be aligned with your shoulder. Yeah, and your arm should not be bahar ki taraf. Your arm should be andar ki taraf, right? And then you gently raise yourself up from your navel area, from your abdomen. तो आप ऐसे उठाते हैं, right? Okay. So it's like this. Keep your head in front. Head you can raise it up as well. That will give you even better stretch. But however, if you don't want so much stress in the beginning, आप इतना उठा सकते हैं. Remember, ये fulcrum जो है ना आपकी, see this? This action is extremely important. So you keep it. You maintain it for about 5, 7, 10 seconds in the beginning, and then slowly you bring it down to the mat. Yeah, and then you can rest again. You can do this 3 times. Yeah, if you do it 3 times every day, it certainly helps you. ये आपको पता चल जाएगा, मतलब आपको महसूस हो जाएगा कि this is a really, really good asana. So it's very simple. Your fingers are in line with your shoulders. Your elbows are inwards, and slowly you lift yourself up. Also, one more thing I forgot to tell you is that आपके जो shoulders है ना, ऐसे नहीं जाने चाहिए. They should be parallel, like down, not up. Slowly lift yourself up and then bring yourself down. And when you are, one more thing that I forgot to tell you is, when you're going up, सांस अंदर लेते हुए, and when you're coming down, सांस छोड़ते हुए. So I'll do it once completely for you. So you have your hands by your side here like that. Yeah, your fingers are near your shoulders, little inside. Don't keep your fingers here. It won't happen properly. Your fingers are aligned with your shoulders. Your elbows are in, and slowly breathe in and rise up. And then slowly bring yourself down and breathe out. So that is one. You can do 3 of these. So that makes it a set, and you can do it every day. So that will make it easier for you. That's my first asana. Yeah. Your second asana is the Uttan Padasana, and that is also a very simple asana. Remember, I'm giving you simple asanas because मैं ना मोटा हूँ. मैं ये समझता हूँ कि आप हर चीज नहीं कर सकते. जो आपकी सहूलियत हो, which is easy for you, you should do those asanas, and that's how I have done it. Because yes, I would say that every day challenge yourself, but also do it with ease. You should be easy doing it. So this is essentially what you need to do, is to keep your feet forward. Yeah. And then slowly just lie down. Yeah, when you're lying down like that, right? Slowly lie down, your hands, your palms facing downwards on the mat. So because you will be using this for pressure. Yeah, keep your feet together. You can actually start by doing the single leg raises, which means that you pick your right leg up, breathe in, and then slowly bring it down. And then your left leg up, breathe in, and slowly let it down. You can do this about 6 times. Yeah? So that you've done it 6 times, and it's very simple. It has to be at right angle. Remember that the leg that you're bringing up is jitna aap le sakte hain, whatever you can take comfortably up, and your toes are pointing towards your head. Yeah, and slowly bring it up. Also, when you pick this leg up, this leg should not come up. This leg should be down flat on the mat. Yeah, see. Okay, so you begin with your single leg raises. And then you take your double leg raise. So for your double leg raise, both your palms are facing downward on the mat. Yeah. And then slowly, as you breathe in, yeah, you bring both legs up and hold it, and then breathe out, and then bring both your legs down, and then breathe in again, bring your legs up, and then slowly, gently breathe out. Now when you're breathing out, try to bring your feet as close to the mat but not touching the mat. So see, it's like this. Breathe out, then breathe in, and breathe out. You have to bring your legs as much as possible to a 90 degrees. So your legs should be 90 degrees to your body. It's an easy asana. It's easily doable, and you should do it about 6 times a day. Yeah, that's your second asana. So 6 times a day. It is preferable to start with the single leg raises, ताकि आपको वो आदत पड़ जाए, और 3-4 दिनों में आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी. फिर आप दोनों पैरों को उठा लीजिएगा. However, if you cannot do it, then you do it for a lesser time. So अगर आप 6 नहीं कर सकते तो 3 के साथ शुरू कीजिए. It doesn't matter. Also take your legs up as much as possible. मान लो कि आपके यहीं तक ही आते हैं, कोई नहीं, आप यहीं तक ही रखिए, फिर नीचे ले जाइए. There is no issues. Do it at your comfort, but be disciplined about it. That is extremely important. Yeah, so the Uttan Padasana is very good for 3 or 4 things. Yeah, one, of course, that it is good for your, ये जो abdominal muscles है ना आपके, बिल्कुल tight हो जाते हैं. You can feel them जब आप अपने leg को raise करते हैं ना दोनों के एक साथ. You can actually feel the abdominal area tightening. Not only that, your core, your back also gets strengthened because of this. And any kind of stomach ailments जो आपकी होती है ना, for instance, there's constipation, और आपको थोड़ा सा uncomfortable होता है, or whatever, gas ज़्यादा बनती है, all of those things are actually taken care of with this particular asana, because ये pressure डालता है. As soon as you bring your legs up ना, वो pressure डालता है आपके stomach area पे. So automatically जो भी उसमें there are any problems with your stomach area, those get taken care of. Now let's talk about the third and final asana that I think is extremely good for this, and that of course is the Paschimottanasana. Now the Paschimottanasana is very very simple because these are very simple. Why मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि you cannot do tough exercise. मतलब अगर आप tough आसन करेंगे तो फिर मतलब नॉर्मली पतले होके टफ आसन करते हैं, है ना, ऐसे होके नहीं करते हैं. So that's why I said कि let's choose the easy ones so that everybody can do it. So in this is basically the forward bend. You will be bending forward and touching your toes, ankles, जहाँ पे भी आपके हाथ पड़ सकते हैं. Just hold on there. Yeah, that is as simple as it. So what you do is you start with your hands on your knees, or you can keep them by your side, whatever is comfortable, and then straighten. This cannot be, ये आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, आपको सीधा रखना पड़ता है. Keep your spine straight. And the thing that बहुत आपको इसमें aid करती है is the fact that you take your hands up. अगर आपने अपने हाथ ऊपर कर लिए ना तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका बैकबोन स्ट्रेच हो रहा है, आपका बॉडी स्ट्रेट होता है. सो यू टेक योर हैंड्स अप. व्हेन यू टेकन योर हैंड्स अप, ब्रीथ इन, एंड व्हेन यू ब्रीथ इन, slowly bring your whole, you shouldn't bend from here, okay? Bring your whole back forward. So remember that it's like touching the sky. तो आप ना आगे 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 टच करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और अपने हाथ को नीचे ले आते हैं. Remember that कि जब आप नीचे देख, so I start again and catch hold of your toes. If you can't, मान लो कि आपकी यहीं तक ही हाथ है या आपके यहीं तक, जहां तक आते हैं वहां तक ले जाओ आप. Right? I'll do it again. So stretch. Always when you're breathing in, stretch as much as you can, and जब आप breathe out करते हैं, एंड उसके बाद जब आप अपने टोज को कैच कर लेते हैं या आप अपने एंकल्स, अगर आप फ्लेक्सिबल हैं तो आप ऐसे टच कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ब्रिंग योर फीट इन wherever you can hold. That's a good thing to do. If you can catch your feet like that, amazing. But when you bring it down, remember that you are looking to hold. Yes, and you have to hold this for at least 10 seconds. शुरू में 10 सेकंड के लिए कीजिए, उसके बाद you can do it for longer, up to 30 seconds, up to you, and you can do 3 rounds of this every day, every single day. Yeah, so I do it one complete one for you so that you know what's happening. Yeah, so I stretch, and then when I'm going down also I stretch. Why do I stretch? Because if I don't stretch now, then I will fold here. I don't want to fold here. I want to fold my back. I want to bring my back down parallelly, right? Remember that your feet have to be straight and this will not turn. So you can't do this, you can't do that. Yeah, that you should not do. However, if you can't get this exercise, I'll tell you what you can do. Okay, so stretch like this, right up as much as you can, and then gently. So you breathe in, and then you're breathing out. Breathe in again, bring your hands up and then drop them to your side. Simple. ऐसे 3 rounds करने हैं आपको. Now, suppose you're not able to do this. मान लो कि आप ऐसे stretch नहीं कर पाते, हाँ, but आपको इसका फायदा उठाना है. तो it's a very important thing. You can keep your legs a little bent like this, right? So when you're doing this, you bring them down like that. Yeah. In the beginning, you can do that. So keep your legs bent. ताकि जो बेंड का आपको फायदा मिल रहा है ना, these muscles of yours are getting exercise. That is the important muscle. So these are the 3 asanas that I would recommend for weight loss. You have to do them every single day. You have to do them exactly the number of times that I've told you. And हर हफ्ते या हर 2 हफ्ते उसकी जो होल्ड है उसको इंक्रीज कीजिए, and the number of times that you do it on the mat उसको इंक्रीज कीजिए. Of course, the big one that I've told you about, I have a separate video on that, is the Surya Namaskar. The Surya Namaskar you should do every day. I do 12 rounds of it today. I started with 2 rounds. At the beginning मुझे बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था करने के लिए, but अब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Because यार ये सोचो, अगर 10 kg कम हो जाए ना भाई साहब, मतलब बिल्कुल यहां से यहां तक की स्माइल होती है. आप समझते नहीं है बात को, समझते होंगे जरूर. If you've lost weight, you know exactly what I'm talking about. खिल जाते हैं. There is motivation to do it, and that motivation is what will carry you forward. So डोंट वरी, डोंट गिव अप, डोंट लूज होप. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है. अपने में बिलीफ रखिए कि आप कर पाएंगे और धीरे धीरे करके रखिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड आई विल बी बैक विथ यू नेक्स्ट वीक विद अनदर वीडियो. And in that video, I'll tell you exactly what more we can do with yoga or meditation. And please remember that like and subscribe my video. And if you can share my video, that will be really, really nice. If you have friends of yours who'd like to watch this video or you think they can benefit from it, please share kijiye. And I'm out of here. Denzel says bye. God bless you all. Have yourselves a wonderful weekend, a safe weekend, and a wonderful week ahead. And I will see you next weekend with lots more on the video front. Till then, Denzel says bye, take care, and God bless.